by Super7 TMNT. And after the ordeal I had last week unboxing Metalhead Mikey, I decided to skip that part. So here he is in all his glory, rocking on. I changed his head to the purple hair head with the tongue out. Looks awesome. Look at this chain here. That's amazing. The little turtle smiling. Comes with a mic and a mic stand. The mic comes off. Well, it came off. I put it on, but it comes on and off. And also all this awesome stuff. Like I said last week, I've been trying to lay low on the Super7. This is not the one that I pre-ordered, but he was on sale, Mikey, for Black Friday, and then this guy was on sale for Cyber Monday. So that's how I ended up with them. But he comes with 4 sets of hands, and the right hands are all glove hands, and the left hands are just no glove hand. Normal hands. In all your regular poses, fist, holding something, pointing. And I mean, it would be cool if you could have either both hands gloved or not gloved, but I often put the wrong hand on the wrong side, so this will stop me from doing that. Anyway, he also has this bow staff that's not a bow staff, it's a flute or a pipe of some sort, but if it's a flute, shouldn't the holes be on the top? I don't know. I never played the flute, but I've seen it before. And this awesome guitar, because he's a keyboardist, which is where I would assume he'd be in the band. Leo plays the guitar, Mikey I'd put on drums, and Raph would be bass. But I imagine he has some awesome synth sounds that he programmed into his MIDI guitar. But these two awesome heads, those are dope. This is the one he came with the mohawk, and it's like an orange mohawk, not a purple one, but that's why I like these. And the tongue is out. I don't usually go for a tongue out figure, but this guy's awesome. So I went with that head. Got the pink bandana on his belt there, or under his belt. And these awesome green shoes or boots. He's wearing purple bandanas as his knee pads and elbow pads on top of his clothes. His jacket is ripped, and this sleeve is totally ripped off. That's awesome. Oh yeah, that's really dope. I just noticed that for the first time. I only took him out of the box like half an hour ago, but it took like 25 minutes, so it's better I didn't do that on camera, because last week I did it on camera and it probably made the video longer than it needed to be. But also I was tired by the time I started, looking at him and talking about him. He also came with this record, and it's pretty thick. Looks like it could be a stack of like 3, but there's no lines for it to be more than 1. It's got a purple label, but no artist or album or title. He came with a tuning fork, which is really cool, but it was the hardest thing to get out of the packaging for this guy. And also he has a wallet chain, but no wallet and no pockets that it could fit into. So I guess you could just kind of loop it on him, and so it just hangs like that, I guess, which is alright. But if he had a pocket or a wallet, that would be cool if it like fit into his pocket so you could pretend he has a wallet. Anyway, that's just semantics or being pedantic. Or let's take a better look at some of this stuff. The microphone is awesome. Saw all the accessories and the different heads, and I was like, I gotta get this guy. Plus he was like 40% off, so in my price range. Awesome. And I have regular Donatello here because I wanted to see if they're the same color. Yeah, they're pretty much the same color. This new one looks a little bit browner or orangey, but I wanted to see if that works. I like that almost better than all these cool heads. You got this mohawk with goggles, but I like the leather jacket and the regular head. I think it looks really cool together. Even though he's a little different shade, it still matches fine. Yeah, I like that the best, actually. I don't know. That's a really hard call. Wonder, it doesn't want the serious head on that one. He looks more like he's a bouncer than one of the people in the band. Oh, that's dope. I really like this head too. Every time I change the head, I mess up the legs and they go all wonky. I think that's the one I'm gonna keep him with. Get this guitar going. See his back. You have another bandana wrapped around the other way, hanging down from his back, I guess. This one has rhinestones. So does this. Or maybe they're just silver polka dots. Studded belt. Oh, you can open up the jacket a bit. Belt doesn't go all the way around. I guess it doesn't need to because you can't see it, but there's like nothing underneath the jacket on the back. Yeah, I think this is the head I'm gonna go with. Which one do you think is the best? I really like the normal head too. No, this is my favorite Super 7 that I have right now. He's super awesome, Punker Don. So anyway, thanks a lot for watching, and until next time, remember, always keep your head up. Peace.